Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about Summative Assessment 1 October 2023 Mathematics paper class 9th class SSC board paper this one. Time 3 hours. There are the two parts are there. Part A is 2.5 hours. Part B is half an hour. Maximum marks is part A 60, part B 20. Total 9th class maximum marks is 80 marks. There are the four sections are there. Section A means section 1, 6 into 2, 12 marks. All questions attempt here. First question, insert two rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Observe the here, these fractions are unlike fractions. First bring down to like fractions. They are asking the two rational numbers now multiply with 3. So write the any two rational numbers between equivalent fractions. Now second question is Gautam says 7 by 125 is a non-terminating decimal. Justify your answer with reason. Terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal. Difference how you know? When the denominator in the form of 2 power n and pi power n. So your 125 is there. 125 is write the prime factorization. So pi cube is there. So denominator in the form of pi power n. So it is the terminating decimal. Next one. If a plus b plus c is equal to 9, ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26, then find a square plus b square plus c square is equal to question mark. So here observe a plus b plus c whole square. One formula is there, algebraically identities. So what is a plus b plus c whole square formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 of ab plus bc plus ca. So we need to find a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus whole square minus 2 of ab plus bc plus ca. Substitute the values, getting the a square plus b square plus c square value. Next one. Explain Euclid's fourth postulate with one daily life situation. Daily life situation, Euclid's fourth postulate. So fourth postulate is daily life, right angle triangle is there. Okay, right angle triangle give the daily life examples. So next, turning the paper. Next is the fifth question. Check the point pi comma 0 and 0 comma 2 are the solutions of the linear equation 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. So these values substitute. Suppose LHS is equal to RHS there. These are the solutions. So which one is LHS is not is equal to RHS? That is not a solutions of the linear equation. Write the formula, find mean deviation method and explain the terms. So write down the mean deviation formula and also the explain the terms. Next, section 2. Section 2, here also the all questions attempt to. Each question carries 4 marks. 6 into 4, 24 marks. Visualize 4.65 bar on the number line up to 3 decimal places by successive magnification. So this is the 4.65 repeating decimal, this one. So how to write up to 3 decimal places means 4.656 point after 3 decimals are there. So decimal. So represent the visualization. First it lies between 4 and 5, next 4.1, 4.2. So like that we have to take. Next one is the find the remainder when f of x is equal to x square minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by g of x is equal to x minus 2. Verify the result by actual division. So actual division, verify that. So let g of x is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Substitute the f of x. Here x is equal to 2 now. When it is a 0, so that is the remainder. In the adjacent figure, triangle ABC side AC has been proceed to D. Angle BCD is equal to 125. Angle A is to B is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Find the measure of angle A, angle B. So here the diagram is there. So find this angle. Next, after that this ratio is there. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. This angle we know by the triangle sum property. X value come. X means 2x. 2x means A angle. 3x means B angle. Substitute angle A, angle B. We can find. Show that A minus B whole cube plus B minus C whole cube plus C minus A whole cube is equal to 3 of A minus B into B minus C into C minus C. Take the here values. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Substitute the values LHS and RHS. When the LHS is equal to RHS is there, so we show under. Find 4 different solutions of the linear equation 5x minus 6y is equal to 60. So take the 4 solutions. Suppose take the x values, first solution is y value come, first solution. Take x is equal to another value, y value come, second solution. Next, third, fourth solution you take. Next one is the cost of gift in a birthday party spent as follows. The cost of gifts in rupees, number of friends. Find from the above data, find the median. So this question is median. Median is first one is the cost of gifts in rupees. Next one number of friends. Take the CF, cumulative frequency is there. So find the median. Next section 3 is there. Section 3 write any 4 questions. 4 into 6 24 marks. There are the 2 questions here. The choice is there. So first question from the diagram. So angle x is whole triangle, big triangle is there. So next small triangle is there. So you are asking the OZ x OZ y. This angle is asking. Next y O Z asking. So how to find this in the big triangle? This whole triangle we know. Next to triangle, in this triangle another angle we know. By the triangle sum property Z come, whole Z come. This OZ is the bisector of angle x, y, z. Bisector means this angle is equal to this angle. By 2, this angle come. This is also by 2, this angle come. By the triangle sum property, getting the angle y, o, z value. Next, if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of px square plus 5x plus r, then show that p is equal to r. So let x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 2 come. So x is equal to 2, substitute in this one, equation 1. X is equal to 1 by 2, substitute in this polynomial, equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2 is equal to, so both are cancelled, simplify. So p is equal to r is shown. Is x minus is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. If yes, find the other 2 factors. So let x minus 1 is equal to 0. Is means check yes or no. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Substitute in this one. When it is 0, this whole is 0, x minus is a factor. If it is factor yes, then find the other 2 factors. Means this is the divisor, this is the dividend. So when the dividing, so quotient comes quadratic polynomial splitting the middle term, quadratic polynomial, 2 zeros come, there is the other 2 zeros. Next question, if p minus 3 units is the length of the rectangular box, volume of the box is p cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18 cube units, then find its breadth and height. So this is the divisor, this is the length. So volume of the rectangle, volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Length we know, this is the divisor. So this is the dividend. This dividend is divided by this polynomial. So getting the quotient is quadratic polynomial within the middle terms. So 2 polynomials come. One is the breadth, another one is the height. So our question is find the breadth and height, means doing like this. Next question is the draw the graph of linear equation y is equal to minus 2x, y is equal to x, and y is equal to 3x. What do you notice from the graphs? So take the here x value, so y value come. Next another linear equation, take x values, y value come. Next another, take x value, y values. So these three graphs values represented on the graph. After that, what do you observe? These are all linear equations passing through the horizon. Next one, 18th one, express the following statements as linear equation. Strength of the girls containing boys and girls is 60, and strength of the girls 9 less than the twice of the boys. Observe there two statements are there, two quantities are there. One is the boys, another one is the girls. Let the boy strength of the boys is equal to x, let the strength of the girls is equal to y. According to the problem, both strength of the boys and girls, so x plus y is equal to 60. Next second condition, strength of the girls y is equal to 9 less than the twice the boys, 2x minus 9, y is equal to x minus 9. So 2x, y bring down to right side, 2x minus y is equal to 9. This is the another linear equation. So this is the 9th class question paper. So this is very important questions for the next assessment too. So note down this one. Thank you all.